Well, it's raining again, like it's never gonna stop. I stand in a doorway, I count on every drop. I lived in the city, I live by the sea.
Queen of the Sun.
Every broken mind, well, there's a glory. Smash your stereo.
I'm having a t-shirt done with a mobility scooter on it because I've just bought one for my father-in-law.
Hey, my lady, did you catch Daddy's TBI?
I'm having the chain round the top.
Hey, my lady, did you burn out her smart soul?
I'm getting a You'll Never Leave Dumfries, mate. So I will never leave Dumfries unless I'm in a wooden box, no?
Hey, my lady, I know scoop on Hey, my lady, playing in the primitives game. Hey, my lady, post the soul over. Hey, my lady, down on spikes and chains. Hey, my lady, on the school power. Want to shock the world. Hey, my lady, you want to live it apart. Hey, my lady, you're just a poor little white bread girl. Hey, my lady, no school for punk rocker.
I was a bit worried because there was the blue and the orange, which came out like really good.
I made a Smash the Mistake one. I thought that was possibly the least contentious. In my new role as an MSP, I have to be very careful.
Okay, this bit here is absolutely brilliant. I hope it continues on. It gives a future to young kids and artists who wants to do all the artists and everything. May the future brings everybody together and hope it stays together and do fantastic jobs for everybody. May it continues on. May it continues.
Well done.
Continues on, that's the new slogan.
Right.